Here's the latest from the market open. UK markets opened lower, with the FTSE100 down 0.53% at 10,239.35. Across Europe, the CAC 40 edged up 0.05%, while Germany's DAX fell 0.74% as investors assess geopolitical developments and their impact on market sentiment. In the US, markets were weaker overnight. The Nasdaq declined 0.3% and the S&P 500 fell 0.34%. In company news, retailer WH Smith warned on profits and announced plans for an equity raise after softer airport passenger numbers affected trading. Meanwhile, Pennon, owner of Southwest Water, said it must rebuild trust following last year's parasite outbreak, keeping attention on the UK water sector. Against sterling, the US dollar rose 0.16%, the Swiss franc gained 0.09%, the euro was unchanged, the Japanese yen added 0.08%, and the Australian dollar rose 0.33%. Bitcoin fell 0.27%. In commodities, copper declined 0.63%, gold dropped 1.5%, Brent crude eased 0.43%, and natural gas gained 0.45%. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.